Hey guys, sorry for the bad lighting, but I wanted to go ahead and do this demo with you guys and see how everything turns out. So this is the Cricut Easypress 2, and this is the Martha Stewart special bundle edition. I hope you can see everything. And this is what it looks like. It's a real pretty like gold champagne color, and I love it. This is so I can do heat pressing on t-shirts, pillows, towels, and other mid-sized projects. It gets up to 400 degrees. It's very lightweight, which is true, and it's portable, which I love. And when I saw this at Michael's, I didn't know what all it came with, so I bought a mat and everything, only to find out it came with the mat because they keep these behind the counter until you're ready to buy it, so I didn't get a chance to look at the box. But yeah, it comes with the mat. It comes with the 9x9 Easypress, the mat, the iron-on design 6 sheets, a pattern and stuff, safety base, book, materials, stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. These are the settings, the temp, the time, up and down. When you're ready to start, you hit that and it'll count down, and the power, and that's the mat. So this is the dust cover for the device, and there's this Cricut C letter, and we're going to put this on the dust cover as our first try and see how it works out. Okay, so we're going to put the mat down. This is the top, this is the bottom, because it clearly says this side down. So we're going to put that there, and it has to be on a hard surface. And they recommend don't do it on glass or anything. But this is like a plastic folding table. Excuse my dirty brushes. I got to wash those. Anyways, that's the folding table from Walmart that I use for my sewing space and stuff. And so I had to move over to the top of this tray thing that I have. And so that's what we're going to do. So first, let's go ahead and power this baby on. And these are the instructions on how to do it. We're going to follow these step by step and see what happens. So as first it says we're going to set the temp to 290. So we're going to hit temp and go up to 90. And then next it says set the timer for 30 seconds, but it's already on 30 seconds. And it's already at 240 for the temp, so it's heating up pretty quickly. So it just made a noise saying because it reaches desired temp. We're going to take this and we're going to press it, kind of like pre-iron. And it's going to draw out all the moisture and anything else that's in the material. So just press that and it's pretty warm. It feels like my regular iron when it's on full blast, so imagine that much hotter. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So next it says position the pre-cut iron-on material in the center of the bag, face side up, blah blah blah, easy press top. I have this on here where I want it, and then you're supposed to put this directly on it and then hit the timer. So we'll put that down, hit the timer. You gotta put a little bit of pressure. Then it says to flip it over and press the other side to ensure, it's basically to make sure that you get the heated extra glue side done. So basically what you're doing is securing it. So you put it down, hit the timer. For 15 seconds. So you're supposed to, ouch, check the corner to peel off the film. And to make sure that it's sealed. So yeah, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but and it's stuck. Hold on, I'll be back. And I took the film off, which is right here, and this is the finished product. Oh my gosh, that's pretty cool. I'm like really impressed with this. And I will be washing this bag a few times, not back to back, because I don't want to, you know, do all that, but I'm going to wash it and care for it because I want to see just to make sure that they stay on. But I believe it will, though. I've never heard any. From all the reviews and videos that I've seen, I've never seen anyone have any issues with it. So, and the glitter doesn't come off, so that's good. Oh, it's so pretty.